Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to PAMDAS and BODMAS method. It is very simple quiz, but you can be do solve in a wrong ways and get the wrong answer. So here we will learn like how you can solve this basic arithmetic expression, and it contains the basic operation multiplication, division and addition, and find out the what is the correct answer. Here we have in the answer list four questions, four answers. So we have to solve and find out which answer is correct. So now before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's start the topic. Before starting the topic, we have to find out like what rule we will apply on this question. So as per the arithmetic operation rule, we have to apply the BODMAS and PAMDAS method. Both are similar one, but the terms called different, and the meaning of these terms are similar. Just like in BODMAS, we have to B means the bracket, and PAMDAS P means in parentheses. These two terms are different, but the meaning of these two terms are similar. So if you see on the screen, like if you have the bracket or parenthesis in your expression, so it means that you have to solve the first in your expression is curly bracket, rounded bracket or square bracket. So you have to solve first the bracket in your expression. And after that, so first step is you have to solve the bracket, and second step is you have to solve the order or exponent. It means that you have to, if your expression contains any x square or root, so you have to solve this part first. Similarly, for division and the multiplication, you have to solve the you have to see the left to right rule. Like they both have similar precedence. So they have the same precedence. So you have to solve the either division or multiplication. So it means that you have to solve any of them if you are going left to right, and if the division is coming first, you have to solve this part first, and if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve this one. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. Like if you have going left to right, so they both have the similar precedence, same precedence. So you have to apply if you getting addition first, so you have to solve that part first. And if you are getting the subtraction first, so you can solve this part first. It is not necessary you have to add the first and then subtract. So it has both has the similar precedence, so you can solve addition or subtraction if it is coming first. So now let's start the topic. As you can see on the screen, like we have the 3 plus 3 multiplied by 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 3. As according to the rule like PAMDAS and BODMAS method, you can see on the screen like we have to solve the first the bracket, like parenthesis, or you can say the bracket. So it means that in this expression, you have to solve this part first. As you can see, like this part and this part, you have to solve first. So here we have to solve this part 3 plus 3, which is equals to 6, multiply and write this expression as it is. And after that, we will solve 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 9. So here we will solve the bracket first. So we will give the reference here. So 3 plus 3, which is equals to 6. And also we did the 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 9. Now move forward. Again, now we do not have any parenthesis in this expression now. So now we will follow left to right rule. So here we will move forward the left to right and see which part or which operation is coming first. So as per rule, left to right you go. So you can see like this part is coming first. Multiplication is coming first. So here we have the 6 multiplied by 3. You do not multiply using, like you cannot say like I'm using the BODMAS, so I will divide first. No, you have to follow left to right rule and find out which operation is coming first. As you can see on the screen, it is multiplication is coming first, so you will multiply first. So 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. And after that, we will write same expression as it is. So here we write same expression as it is. And here we will give the reference 6 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 18. Now, again, we will move forward and see which operation is coming first according to the left to right rule. So here we have the 18 divided by 3. So it is coming first. So fifth, now we will divide 18 divided by 3, which is equals to 6, and multiply by 9. So here we will give the reference 18 divided by 3 equals to 6. And now in the end, the remaining part of this question is 690. And we will multiply 6 multiply by 9. So we will get the answer is 54. 54. So the correct answer of this question is 54. The answer B is the correct answer. So I hope you understand how you can solve these type of question using the PAMDAS and BODMAS method and get the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.